Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful John Suhiro. Code WAAA268. Released on May 2, 2023. And it has 150 minutes watch time. The story is about father-in-law and his daughter-in-law. The girl was not in good terms with her father-in-law and she doesn't want him around the house. One day, when her husband went out for work, leaving them alone at home, so later in the afternoon, the girl was so tired she fell asleep at the living room. However, when the old guy saw the girl sleeping at the living room, the old guy didn't waste the opportunity. So the old guy makes a move. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.